want to say good morning to Cameron Rogers, Trauma Injury Prevention and Outreach Coordinator from Maui Health. Good morning, Cameron.
Hi, good morning. Thanks so much for having me on.
Thank you for calling us and thank you for your time. Cameron, the month of May is National Stop the Bleed Month. What is Stop the Bleed?
Yeah, thanks for asking. So Stop the Bleed is a class that teaches people how to recognize life-threatening blood loss and how to stop it. We go over 3 techniques in the class. We review how to apply direct pressure, wound packing, and tourniquet application. Maui Memorial Medical Center has been offering this class free to the community for several years now. Just one of the many things we do at the trauma center to try and reduce deaths and injuries after major traumatic injuries. And Stop the Bleed is actually a worldwide initiative led by the American College of Surgeons to try and teach as many civilians as possible how to save lives in those precious first 5 minutes after an injury when someone is bleeding out, but before first responders have had a chance to respond to the scene and take over.
You know, not very many have that skill or would be able to respond to it correctly. Tell us, why is it so important for everyone to learn these skills?
Yes, it's so important. You know, I have seen with my own eyes folks whose lives have been saved because someone at the scene, a family member, a friend, even a stranger, has recognized that life-threatening blood loss is happening and who has used some of these skills, either direct pressure, wound packing, or tourniquet application, to stop that bleed. We really don't have too much blood in our body. It's quite miraculous how we are able to walk around with not too much blood in our body, and so every drop counts. And so after a major injury, the most common cause of preventable death after traumatic injury is death from bleeding out. And just with some simple techniques, we can keep that blood in someone's body, stop the bleed, and keep people alive. So it's really great to be able to bring these skills out to the community because you never know when you might need to use them. Yeah,
it's an important skill to have for sure. So where can someone or where can our listeners sign up if they needed that training?
You can go to our website, mauihealth.org/injury prevention, and sign up for a class. We offer 1 hour, these classes that are 1 hour long. They're totally free to the community, and we are doing them all the time. We have partnered up with Maui Police Department and also offer a joint class where they do active attacker, and we do stop the bleed, so they review what to do if you're in an active attacker situation, and then we finish up the class with stop the bleed. But we also do the classes on our own. We recently hosted over 200 middle school and high schoolers from all over the community and included stop the bleed training in that. So we're really trying to get the word out and train as many people as possible, no matter the age. You can go to our website again, mauihealth.org/injury prevention, and sign up for a free class there. The larger the group, the better. We take all size groups.
For sure. Cameron, thank you for calling us this morning. Some great information and a great opportunity in this May National Stop the Bleed Month. We'll talk again, Cameron. Mahalo.
Thanks, Shane, so much.
Aloha.
Have a great day. Aloha.
Cameron Rogers, Trauma Injury Prevention.